What happens when the White House sends in troops to your capital? Here's what you need to know. Imagine waking up in Washington, D.C., and seeing uniformed National Guard troops on every corner. That's not a movie scene. It's what happened when the president federalized the city. But what does that actually mean? Why did it happen, and what comes next? Here's the deal. D.C. is unique. It's not a state, so it doesn't control its own National Guard. Normally, when states need backup, say during a hurricane or protest, governors can call in their National Guard units. But in D.C., the president is the boss. So when things got tense, think massive protests, security threats, or just a sense of chaos, the president made a big move. He federalized D.C. That means he took direct control of local law enforcement and sent in the National Guard to restore order. Picture this. Armored vehicles rumbling down Constitution Avenue, soldiers standing guard at the Capitol, and helicopters circling overhead. The city transformed almost overnight. And honestly, it left a lot of people feeling uneasy. Was this about keeping D.C. safe, or was it about showing power? Critics say federalizing the city is a drastic step. It bypasses local leaders and sends a strong message. Maybe too strong. Supporters argue that when chaos threatens the nation's capital, tough decisions have to be made fast. And D.C. is special. It's the heart of American democracy, loaded with federal buildings, politicians, and history. If things spin out of control here, it's not just a local problem. The whole country feels it. So, what's the aftermath? Some people cheered, feeling safer with boots on the ground. Others worried about what this means for democracy and for the independence of D.C. itself. National Guard troops aren't regular cops. Their job is different. They're trained for emergencies, not everyday policing. That shift can change the whole mood of a city. Here's what I'm watching for now. Will this set a new precedent? Could federal power override local control more often? And what happens the next time D.C. faces a major crisis? If you live in D.C. or you care about how America balances security and freedom, this story matters. The sight of troops in the streets is a powerful reminder. The federal government can step in, for better or worse. So, next time you see those headlines, you'll know exactly what's going on and why it matters. Thanks for watching. If you want more breakdowns like this, hit subscribe and let's keep the conversation going.